I am so pleased to announce the first workshop in my new series of studying with the masters from my online school, Art and Spirit Studio. Sunflowers and Almond Blossoms is an immersive exploration of Vincent van Gogh's celebrated techniques through two of his most iconic paintings. We will uncover the secrets behind the luminous colors and dynamic textures that make his work so identifiable and special. As we study these masterpieces, you'll learn how to translate Van Gogh's oil techniques into your own watercolor creations, bringing a touch of his style into your artistic expression. My own work has been greatly influenced by Van Gogh. He is one of my very favorite artists. Join me for this beautiful new course that launches on August 5th. You can learn more by clicking the link in my bio or in my stories and highlights. There is an early bird 10% discount that expires on July 1st. I hope you will join me in this creative journey to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Van Gogh while enriching your skills and inspiring your own unique artistry.